Milo, the boy who could turn into mist. In the quiet little town surrounded by hills lived a boy named Milo. Milo looked just like any other child until something strange happened. Whenever Milo felt scared, or shy, or unsure of himself, poof, he turned into mist. Soft, silver mist that floated gently through the air. Milo didn't choose this power. It just happened, a secret power. At school, when the classroom felt too loud, Milo would whisper, "I wish I could disappear." And suddenly, whoosh, he became mist and drifted to the ceiling. At first, Milo thought his power was amazing. He could slip through cracks, float over fences, hide whenever he wanted. But sometimes, Milo felt lonely. "I don't want to disappear forever," he sighed. "I want to be brave, the day it mattered." One afternoon, Milo and his friends were playing near the old library. Suddenly, they heard a cry, "Help! Help!" It was Lena, Milo's little neighbor. She had dropped her kitten into a narrow storm drain. The opening was too small for anyone to climb into. Everyone panicked, but Milo's heart began to beat fast. "I can help," he whispered. Before anyone could stop him, poof, Milo turned into mist. The brave choice as mist, Milo floated down into the drain, moving gently around the dark corners. Meow! The kitten was scared. "It's okay," Milo said softly. He wrapped the mist around the kitten, warming it like a cloud. Slowly, carefully, Milo floated back up. And then poof, he turned back into a boy, holding the kitten safely in his arms. Everyone gasped. "You're amazing!" Lena cheered. Milo's face glowed not because he vanished, but because he stayed. A new understanding that day. Milo learned something important. His power wasn't about hiding. It was about helping. He didn't turn into mist anymore when he was afraid. He turned into mist when someone needed him. And whenever Milo felt unsure, he remembered, you don't have to disappear to be special. Sometimes being brave means being seen. Moral of the story: true strength isn't hiding, it's using who you are to help others.